So someone actually said, what's the difference between EasyWorship 2009, EasyWorship 6, and also EasyWorship 7? And I'm like, there is a big difference between EasyWorship 2009 and EasyWorship 6, but there is no much difference between EasyWorship 6 and EasyWorship 7. Like, if you check in my last video, I said that EasyWorship 7 is just an improvement of EasyWorship 6. So it's just a slight difference of EasyWorship 6. Yeah, it's like EasyWorship 6 was a prototype of EasyWorship 7, right? But there is a big difference between EasyWorship 2009 and EasyWorship 6. And I mean, starting from the environment of EasyWorship 2009 and EasyWorship 6, there is a big difference. So this video, I'm just creating this video so that I can show you the differences, right? Now, it's for comparison. So we are trying to compare EasyWorship 2009, EasyWorship 6, and EasyWorship 7. Alright, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to also invite your friends to watch out this video. And don't forget to do the most important thing. Don't forget to learn. At the end of the day, you are able to create a studio in your own room. Thank you. See you.